Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the error that says an error occurred while authenticating with Rockstar Games services. So this particular problem usually stops you from playing GTA Online and Red Dead Online. So first of all, you need to close your game completely and close the Rockstar Launcher from your computer. After that, you need to open the task manager. Here in the task manager, you need to simply look for the Rockstar related processes that are running in the background. If you see them, you just have to restart your internet router and your computer to refresh the network connection. A weak or the unstable internet connection can also cause this problem. After that, open the Rockstar launcher and sign out of your account. You need to log back in again and launch the game using the launcher only. If the issue still continues, you can turn on any VPN or proxies that you are using either in your device or on your computer. So you can also make sure that the Rockstar launcher and the game are fully updated to the latest version before trying the game. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.